War with the Marathas. As the Marathas were left to face defeat in the Third Battle of Panipat, the East India Company tried to further curb the Marathas. The Maratha state was divided into many states under different chieftains or sardars belonging to different dynasties, namely Sindhya, Holkar, Gaikwad, Bhosle. The Marathas were subdued in a series of wars they waged against the British East India Company. First Anglo-Maratha War. The first war ended with the Treaty of Salbai. There was no decisive victory after this war. Second Anglo-Maratha War. The second war resulted in the British gaining Orissa, Agra and Delhi. Third Anglo-Maratha War. The third war broke the power of the Marathas. The company now had complete control over the territories south of the Vindhyas.